Hi everyone, this is Access Chapter 2, I think movie 6, I lost track. We left off finishing 18, so we're on 19. So we're going to create a report using the report wizard. So create report wizard. Members' names and renewal dates that use conditional formatting to highlight expired membership. Include date renewal, date joined, and member name from table member. So let's do table member. And we want date renewal, date joined, and member name. Do not add any grouping. Sort by date renewal in ascending. Accept the default. Name the report RPT expired membership. They have expired spelled wrong. I'm going to spell it how they have it, just so we don't get it wrong. Finish. Change the title. So we're going to close our print preview. We're going to change the title to expired memberships by a student. We're going to save that. Alright, so we have 19 done. That was pretty straightforward. Select the first renewal date field value. Conditionally format the field. Okay, so I want to go to layout view. Okay, so in this layout view, it says select the first renewal date field value. So that's this one. Conditionally format the field so that memberships expiring on or before the current date display a red font color. Okay? Alright, so let's take care of that. Okay, so I have this selected. I want to go into Format, Conditional Formatting. We want to do a new rule. We want check that values or use the current, this top one. All right. In the rule description, we want to say rule value is less than or equal to, right? Let's just double check. On or before the current date, right? Less than or equal to, and then we're going to build, and in the expression elements, let's find the common expressions. Okay, so those are things that we use a lot. So we want to do current date, and then I'm going to double click on that. It puts date up here, so I double clicked on current date. I'm going to say OK. So when the field value is less than or equal to the system date, we're going to, I think it's just this red, let's just double check, a red font color. Okay, so it should say value less than or equal to date, left, right parentheses. And then I didn't pick the red, sorry, red. Okay, there we go. So when it's this, it's red. So if you're like me and you didn't hit it, just go back and edit. Come back over here to font color and make sure you click the red. Okay, and then here it should show it. So we're going to go ahead and do OK, and we see that, save it, and close the report. So we're done with 20. All right, open form member renewals a student. Okay, open it. Type 1. Oops, I'm going to just do do what? January 1st. What? Okay. Okay, guys, I had to correct this. We had put the control source in as the current date, and I went to each of these properties and take that control source away because it needs to be unbound. There needs to be nothing in it. Okay, so now if we run this report, we can actually type in the dates. (3/1/2019). Click Run Renewals. Okay. Alrighty. So let me go back. Let me close this out. Let me show you what I did again. In Design, I clicked on the text box and I went to Property Sheet and I removed the control source. Even though I swear it told us to do that. Okay, so that part is done. This part. Okay. So we can. Now we need to create a label. So I'm going to close that. Open the form. Oh, okay. So we need to open the backup that I just had. And then put the dates back in, because we're going to take this and make a label from it. So we're going to run it. So we need both objects still open. Okay. So with both objects still open, we're going to come create. And then in the reports group, we want to pick labels. And the label wizard's going to start. So we want Avery, which it is, and then C2160, okay, for the product number. So we're going to go ahead and do next. In the font name, let's see, Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Font size, 11. And then normal for the font weight. Next, we're going to add first name, space, last name, enter, address, enter, city, comma, space, state, space, zip code. So when you're doing a label, you have to put all of those spaces in, otherwise everything's going to be all next to each other. We're going to sort by zip code, and we're going to call this RPT labels, a student, finish. We got our students. Save and close. Use the text, print mailing. Oh, Helen. And name the button. Okay. All right. So I got down to here. All right. So we did all of this. We're done with that. So we can get rid of 21. And then I'm going to have to finish these buttons on the next one. All right. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that.